that last one was 56. This is 57.
Oh, that's at Jordan's.
It's snowing.
The Christmas village
yeah.
they had set up at Jordan's.
Santa's Village.
The little figures made from Germany. Made in Germany. Well, that was a long time ago.
That's going to be back in the think when.
63, I bet.
Early 60s for sure.
It was outside.
Inside. The lighting wasn't good. That was my favorite, the melting snowman.
Why?
I just like that melting snowman. I can remember when you knew it was Christmas when you went to Jordan's and their windows were all decorated like that. Outside.
Yeah.
You always knew it was time for Santa.
Where is one?
Big department store in Boston.
They still do it?
No, they stopped it a long time ago.
Why?
Must have run that for about at least 10 years, though.
But inside?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that was Christmas. That's Christmas
Bobby.
of '63, because that's Bobby on that terrible tractor.
Which one's the baby?
That's Kim.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Who's to the right there?
Judy.
Huh.
Here's Kim. She never did crawl, but she swam beautifully. Not a tooth in her head.
I'm gonna just girl.
Here's Bobby. He's gonna go sledding with Judy. Yep, he's walking the path right now.
Watch him fall. Oh, this.
There he goes with Judy. Down the hill on the toboggan. Or was it the salsa? Back up the hill with Aunt Judy.
We're gonna learn how to jump down the hill, kid.